Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to update your iOS using your cellular data. So no need Wi-Fi. I'm using iPhone 6s. So let's check. Go to settings, general, software update. So recently Apple released iOS 13.6.1. Here is this, and there's several bug fixes. So see, the download and install is like blue, like ash color. So once you connect to Wi-Fi, it will become blue to download and install. So I'm not using Wi-Fi, so I'm using my cellular data. So you can see there's no Wi-Fi. See, Wi-Fi visible. So first you have to go to settings, date and time. So you have to set date like forward 1 month. So I have to switch off the set automatically. So it's like blue. So we have to fix this one first. So go to screen time and turn off screen time. So then go to general, date and time. So now you can see, you can turn off that set automatically. So off automatically and set the time, the date 1 month ahead. So today, okay, 14th of August. So I will set 14th of September or 15th of September. Okay, so go back, general, again, software update. See, now it's done. So download and install, it's like blue. So you can touch, enter your password. So download is processing. Done. Estimate time is remaining. So it's so see, some countries like India, I think in India only Geo only allowed to do this, to change timings. So if like some other countries, the network providers not allowed to do this one. So you can change, or you can borrow some SIM cards from your family members or friends. So then you can do this one. So I'm in Gulf, so here there's no problem. All network providers allowed to change the timing. So I can do this one. So preparing update is going on. So once it's done, so reset all settings. Here we're done, everything is done, it's downloaded, and I can't install because my battery percentage is like 35%. So I have to plug in to charge it. So I will do it later. So once it's done, you have to fix all settings again. So general, date and time set automatically, and go back, screen time, turn on. Okay, it's done. So this is the way how to download, how to update your iPhone iOS. You can update this method all model of iPhone, so no problem. If there is some problem, it will on service providers. So that's it. So please comment if you have any doubt. Please comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.